In this video, we will discuss three new terms, that is accountancy, accounting and bookkeeping. From the images you can make out that bookkeeping is a part of accounting and accounting is part of accountancy, or accounting is having a wider meaning than bookkeeping, and accounting is part of accountancy. Now the first term which we are going to discuss is bookkeeping. Now bookkeeping is a part of accounting as discussed earlier. It is mainly concerned with record keeping or maintenance of books of accounts. Now in the previous video we had discussed the definition or meaning of accounting. The first step was identifying a financial transaction. Okay, we had a cycle type image was there where around 5 to 6 activities were there. Okay, and the first was identifying the financial transaction and the second was recording it. Okay, recording the transactions in the books of original entry. So here bookkeeping is part of accounting and it is concerned with record keeping and maintenance of books of accounts. How many account activities are there in bookkeeping? 4 activities. The first one is identifying the financial transaction. Second, measuring the identified transactions in terms of money. If the transactions cannot be expressed in terms of money, it will not be recorded in the books of accounts. Recording the identified transactions in the books of original entry, that is journal or in subsidiary books. Okay, then classifying them into ledger. So till classifying or recording the transactions in the ledger, posting in the ledger, it is bookkeeping. Okay, I am again repeating. Okay, bookkeeping is part of accounting. It is concerned with record keeping, maintaining the books of accounts, journal and ledger. First we identify the financial transaction, record it in terms, measure it in terms of money, record the transactions in journal or subsidiary books, and then post them into ledger. Next term, accounting, where bookkeeping ends, accounting starts. Okay, bookkeeping is part of accounting. It is a wider concept than bookkeeping. It starts where bookkeeping ends. Okay, third point, it's where bookkeeping ends, accounting starts. And it includes the following activities: summarizing, like that cycle we had discussed, no, identifying the financial transactions, recording them and classifying them. After classifying, it was summarizing the classified transactions, okay, in the form of trading account, P&L account and balance sheet. So first step in accounting is summarizing the classified transactions in the form of P&L account and balance sheet. It includes trading also. Then the next step is analyzing and interpreting the summarized results. With the help of trading, P&L and balance sheet, the senior accountants or senior staff will reach to a conclusion and analyze and interpret the results, and then they will communicate the information to the concerned people, like the top management, investors, government, researchers and all. Okay, then the next term is accountancy. Now accountancy is the subject knowledge of accounting. The see, what is the name of our subject? It's accountancy. So whatever we are studying is accountancy. So we are studying how to record the transactions, or what are the principles, rules. So we are studying about accounting and it is known as accountancy. Or we can say accountancy is the systematic knowledge of accounting, subject knowledge of accounting. It is concerned with principles and techniques which are applied in accounting, like what are the principles, how we are going to record a particular transactions, which account will be debited, which account will be credited, we will be studying, no, that is accounting, and the study is known as accountancy. It tells us how to prepare the books of accounts, how we are going to summarize all the activities, no, which we had discussed earlier: identifying, measuring, recording, classifying, summarizing, interpreting, comes under accounting, and the knowledge about that is accountancy. So accountancy, it teaches us about how to prepare books of accounts, summarize the accounting information, etc. Now see the difference, this is very important. Okay, bookkeeping and accounting. Now see the first step, scope. No? See, bookkeeping is concerned with identifying the financial transaction, measuring them, recording them, and classifying them. Keep these four terms in mind. Identifying financial transaction, measuring them in terms of money, recording them, and classifying them. And where the accounting starts? After that, after classification. That is summarizing the record, interpreting them, and communicating them. Okay, these three steps you can say. What is the first stage? Bookkeeping is concerned with the first stage. Where bookkeeping ends, the second stage, that is accounting, starts. What is the objective of bookkeeping? To maintain systematic record of financial transactions. And here it is to ascertain the net profit or loss. Okay, and to communicate. In bookkeeping, the objective is to maintain the record, and in accounting, it is to ascertain the net result, the profit or loss, and communicate them, okay, to the interested parties. Bookkeeping is a routine job, okay, whereas accounting requires more skills. It is more analytical and dynamic. Who is doing this bookkeeping? It is done by junior staff, whereas accounting is done by senior staff. Relation. To do the accounting work, you need the information of bookkeeping, which is received from bookkeeping. So bookkeeping forms the basis or base of accounting, okay, and accounting begins where bookkeeping ends. Special skills. Bookkeeping is mechanical in nature, so the junior staff can do that, and once they gain knowledge and special skills, they can start accounting, okay. Accounting requires special skills, okay, analyzing ability. So the ones who are more skilled, they will be doing the accounting work. Those who are less skilled or new, they will be doing bookkeeping, because it is routine in nature.